Hi there, it's Phil from parklings.com. I hope you're all well today. Hope you're having a great time in your garden. Obviously, it's very expensive really to start up with gardening. There's one way though you can try and save a bit of money. Now, you could get yourself some free pots. Now, the way to do this is these red solo cups or any other one. But problem is, they're not really pots. So I'm going to show you how we can do that, or how some people do it, and now how I do it. So there you go, we've got 30 or so solo cups there. So if we just take these aside, and I'm just going to take the top one here. There you go. We can get ourselves one of these. That is just a screwdriver, standard. Obviously this is one that's got the crosshead, and we'll just put it straight in, push it down, great. Just here, right in the middle, push down, and eventually you get, see, that doesn't work very well, not well at all. Or we can get ourselves one of these, and that's what I'll do this time. I'll just make a little hole here. So if I just twist that round nice and gently, little tiny bit of pressure, there you go. And that has made a little hole, so that's our drainage. So now what we'll do, we'll put our soil in here, okay, that's the soil there, we'll water it, and then all the water will come out of here. It's not going to get stuck and all just go, yeah. But how are we going to do those? We don't want to do it one by one. That would be time consuming. What do we want to do? Well, we want to put those to the side. We want to grab this here and this. My little Ryobi here. I'm not sponsored by them. It's just the one I've got to hand. And what we're going to do is get hold of it right through the middle, and there you go. So now, as you see there, and all the way through. So every one of them, done. So that's all good. If you wanted to, you put more than one hole in. And so I've got to do the same with all of these here and all of these. But you saw that literally took about 5 seconds to do all of those. Easy. But there you go then, nice and simple. First one, a bit messy as well, but that obviously we try with the screwdriver, and then eventually the sharper knife. Be careful if you go this way. Now, in similar time, maybe twice as long, we actually managed to do about 30 or so of them. That was pretty impressive, and it's a nice round hole, not jaggedy, and it's nice and flat, so it will stay flat when you put it in the tray. And the reason for that was this little tool here. So I will say though, please be careful with them. They are not toys. These can be rather dangerous if you don't know what you're doing with them. So obviously it's not a job for the kids, this one. So obviously the big kids among us obviously is another matter. So as I say here, we've got 30 or so cups. These didn't cost us anything because we managed to actually ask for them. Literally at a party, you say, look, is there any chance that at the end, when you collect them all up, put them in the bin, any chance that we can have them instead? You know, we'll recycle them. Yeah, no problem. You get a whole load of them. You got 30 people at a party, you get at least 30, 60 cups. Perfect. You have free stuff for your garden you're not paying for. Save yourself some money for some more seeds or something. But definitely the way to go. I'm now going to get my seedlings and put them in. And as I say, get this, put your soil in, put your little seedling in there, water it, but then from there on, you can water from the bottom because you put it in a tray of water and it waters itself. Nice and simple. And once they are nice and moist, get rid of the water from the tray so you're not getting them waterlogged, and you've got yourself free stuff. Okay, well everyone, hope you enjoyed this, hope you do it. And if you did enjoy this video, please do press the like button. And Elsa at the moment is laying out on the porch. She wants to go indoors, so now's the time. So everyone, take care and God bless. Bye-bye.